Hello guys, let me share with you my screen right now. Hello guys, let me share with you my screen right now. So let's go into the chart and let's see what's happening in the BTC chart right now. It's like forming an interesting pattern. That's why I'm here to unfold you what's happening in the market right now. So it's like a head and shoulder pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern. That's what forming in the Bitcoin chart right now. So it's not complete yet. Okay, what we have to be cared about, it's if it's break its neckline. Okay, this is the neckline and 56461 because yeah, exactly 56,461. That is the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern. If it is break above this line, so that we will move exactly and this exact target, and by measuring the target line. Okay, so let me quickly show you where is our target is. So by keeping it this position, so here is my price target at 59,000. Okay, but exactly what is this BTC is currently weak. That's what we are gonna discuss about that. And I think that there will be many shakeouts from this point of this point between these guys, and it won't be the single candle that's you can see right now. And maybe we can see a little bit downward movement because BTC is currently right now in that kind of situations. Maybe Plydot will. So and I personally have opened a trade right now. It's 40% profit right now. So it has gone. Okay, after I put the trade, I opened this trade from this point. Okay, it has yeah, and this gone this level, and I opened the trade from this region. Okay, this region I got the trade and it has come down to this point, and after it went up, but I didn't take the profit because I know something secret of this market. Because let's go just jump. There's how 20 minutes remaining for this candle to close, and we are in the brim of this pattern. So if we break about this, it will be a morning like a big moment upwards. Or I'm waiting to catch that moment and that right. Okay, I'm coming to the line. Came with you. I came with you for the live at the exact moment I got this trade. Okay, so here we go. And I'm personally requesting to this guys. So please subscribe to my channel. I just near 30%. But look at this, my margin is only $3, near $4. And why I'm trading with this like this low margin? Because the market situation is like that. Okay, market hasn't got very stable, but right now what I'm doing is, you can see that it's exactly the scalping that I'm doing right now. So what's the reason behind it is that the market is not stable yet, and there's have a lot of things to do. The market currently is not apparently the stable, guys. So okay, let's decide. And this is my next trade alert. If this breaks above this line, you can exactly take it, right? Because it's an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And also you can see what's happening in the there is how a resistance, biggest resistance over there. You have to be bothered about that because it's my first target, guys. It's my first target, and before reaching it, it's my first target because it's if it's breaking this okay, and I'm crossing this trend line. Okay, this is what yeah, this is that trend line. So after crossing this, no man, you can see that what kind of movement. If we are reaching this point, we are breaking this neckline, we'll go there because this is what double bottom pattern is price bottoming, and this pattern indicates that we have bottomed the price, and this is the bottom of, and we will go up. But that's the pattern. This is a trend reversal pattern, sharp pattern. So that's why the bearish case will turn into bullish. And if we're plotting this EMA, you can see that currently we are above this line and above this EMA ribbon, and this is the case. And if we are going above this will be a bullish case scenario. And let me quickly hide it and close my stocks. And stochastics is going up in the 4 hourly. And another thing to do to watch is my what EMA ribbon. So plotting it, you can see that it's still in the bearish, and after we go above this line, we'll get the bullish case. Okay, above this neckline. Okay, this is the neckline, guys. This, and let me quickly come into this. This is the neckline. So what's this is the head and shoulder patterns neckline that we have seen the 1 hourly chart. So what's this? This is a major resistance level. So you can see that's in the 1 hour. So, and another case we have to discuss is putting it. We are stepping into the bullish case in the EMI ribbon in the 1 hourly chart. And let me quickly remove it. It's disgusting sometimes. Okay, not every time. So I'm let me hide this or cross this EMI ribbon, and pull back my stocks. What is my stocks? Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We have got the exact chart right now, and current price is 56,100. It's good. It's good. It's a nice price. Price carrying over. And the another case we had to be worried about is that, guys, let me plot a Fibonacci retracement from this point to this point, this downward, because it's one case, guys. It's one case because this is a wick and manipulation wick, not the exact bottom. And if we are doing this kind of, we have to check the both cases. That would be a great idea. And one resistance over here. That's why I plotted this region, and the other case will be over this region. Yeah, this is a major resistance level that we have to see in the next case. And also this line maybe act as a key resistance area, so we have plotted that. So nice. Let me quickly clear it. Okay, and drawing some kind of like pattern like this will be helpful to determine and to realize. Sorry, this is not that. Okay, this is not that. This is that. Okay, not very dark. A few like this. Okay, this is the resistance areas we have to be care about, and fib resistance areas. And my price target, if it breaks above this double bottom, my price target is let me show you. Let me show this. What's my price target is. Okay, placing this one at this level. You can see that 60k is my exact price target. But we have to break above this resistance, and you have to look at this point. This is the one resistance because it's a Fibonacci 618 line, and this is from the manipulation weak zones 618 line, and this is also the secondly I plotted from this is I derived this resistance 619 line from the Fibonacci line that I have plotted them the second time. So these are the things you have to be very careful about. And let me change the color from this to this something dark. Okay, this only is purely invisible. This is my chart setup right now. Okay, and and switching into many other coins. But about XVG, kind of same thing, similar thing is happening with XPG, because you can see that plotting some patterns like double bottom. It's nice. Not a large case pumped yet, and expecting a nice pump because I need to pump it because I'm a holder of that. So what about the HNT has now came back to the exact point where we got a nice uh, pullback. That was $14. And what about the STMX is nice. It has gone went below this line, and the first thing we need to get about this line. So otherwise, you don't have to buy that because I'm not the Silica 6% pump right now. As saying about talking about the Silica, it has broken from the rising wedge, and maybe retest from this and coming down, or otherwise it will be a fake out, a market manipulation of the weekend. One is still playing in the bullish rectangle, sorry, bullish bearish rectangle, because the most the both of them has a good chance and probability. But right now what you can see is it was created something like a, let me show you, a double top. Yeah, currently a double top. Break it from the neckline. This was the neckline, and break it from this, and we got a nice rejection. So this is what happened. The 1 inch and H bar. When looking at the H bar is pumping crazy because you see 11% pump between 24 hours. It's nice, and but we are at the brim of its scandal for how only. I think personally, I think when plotting this, yeah, we will go some more up. I think we will reach this zone, guys. This zone exactly we will reach here because we have broken from this double bottom, guys. Double bottom, guys. Let me zoom in. To the double dot. Exactly, some cases it's a double pattern. So we have broken from this. Let me show you. Yeah, this has played out, and this is yeah, this is not the, this is the link line that has played out very well. So I think personally will go up, SBA will go up, and bullish, guys. So when plotting this CMA, what you can see, this is EMA is going up towards upside. So I'm really very bullish on this H bar and OMG, and this everything is bottoming. Price is bottoming up right now. And the Solana, that's Solana is doing something amazing that my price prediction has currently, you got it, my price prediction, guys. So this was my price prediction. So this currently not exactly the correct, but if the case you can see that at the April is 21, and April 21 tomorrow is not today is the April 21. So you can see that we reached this point. Okay, we reached near this point, $38, but a slight variation. But you can see that coming down, slightly coming down. You can see that it's very nearly a slight difference, so near a $1 difference between this point. So it's currently met my target of this April 21. Yeah, and what's my price target of the May 21? The Solana is May 21 will reach this point, the 40 $62 at the May 21 will reach Solana at this point. So it's a 100% gain. So buy it. It's not a financial advice, but do it at your own risk, as every financial guys are talking about. So whatever the file coin, it's still everything is price bottoming up, and the crazy thing is that can we see any patterns on the chart? So hide it, not that. So deleting all that, and personally hiding this thing. What we can see here in the 4 hourly chart is currently something happening in the chart. Is it that here you can see uh, okay, triangle pattern, we break it down from it. Okay, then what we can see is a pattern similar to a double bottom, and the next point you have to watch is exactly this neckline of this thing. Okay, if we are breaking above that, we'll go up, or if we are coming towards the upside, we will come towards the down. If we are breaking, if we are continuing this breaking, and then we will get currently this point 105, 107. That's a short position, but by plotting this, it's not possible, guys. So I won't take a shot at this moment because my RSI is telling me over sold right now, and even in the RSI we are plotting and we are printing a double bottom, and even the stochastics we are printing the similar, and the stochastics going out towards the upside. So I'm going to okay, for a short period of time frame, and after that it will maybe everything will be happen, and we have to take change our decisions and change our planning approximately just. Oh wow, Wazarax, good chance to buy the Wazarax coin, because you won't see, you may not see this Wazarax coin at the $2 level again, because guys, let me quickly show you my Twitter. There is some burning news, and in Europe it's some crores. I think 800 crores of the BTT. Um so what what are the news is which coin? It's a fake account. I think the fake account breaking. Okay, BNB is bullish currently, and this is funny. So in the Twitter we can see, yeah, Android app seems to be affected, but an iOS working fine. Team is working. So I not this in this account, and Bazarus have its own account like Doge. What is the Doge? 24 to 20 Doge day. Coin to the moon. Oh, this is something amazing. Okay, we had to find any market updates. So what's the start? Okay. Bat on Tuesday. Okay, okay. Please be care about Bat BTC. Bat you are ADA ETH ADA mana. Okay. Order books will start trading in face of. Whoa, it's nice. What is the date, guys? On Tuesday. What's currently what is it? The date? It's Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday was yesterday. Was it yesterday? Oh man, they haven't said what's the date is. April 20. Oh, it was today. Yesterday. It was yesterday. It was yesterday, guys. Bat and the trade started, but the market was the concern. So the XRP, XRP what about the XRP? So XRP will be trading. What that they said? XRP will be trading about $2 within 3 weeks. It's a bullish. So personally, guys, I'm a holder of this XRP. Wow, it's 80% gain on that trade. I personally think that BTC have broken from that range. So let's look on the 1 hourly. We are above that range. Okay, on the 1 hourly, guys, we have went up towards the upside. So this is here was in my charts. Okay, we are under at the brim of these patterns. So what I'm waiting for, currently my trade is 71 percentage profit, $2 profit with a $3, and what I'm looking for will we come down to this point, or quickly get my stop loss. It's $3, 100%, near 100%. Okay, it's not 100% because $4 is my exact yeah, It's 4 plus 4 $48 profit. I will enter this. I will go from this trade. So and XRP. So I would like to show you guys my XRP USD. Yeah, XRP USD perpetual. I'm personally holding XRP. It's a tremendous loss, 200% loss. Yeah, it's 200% loss. But the liquidization price is 0.799 because it's cross margin. You can see that it's only the quantity is 4 contracts and it's a margin is 2 3 near 3 XRP, and what my account contains is 90 XRP right now, but it was totally 19 plus 6, it's 26 XRP was my account says. So everything is kind of price bottoming, so I'm expecting it towards a bullish movement, a good highly movement. And if the market comes down, the point is coming down, what I will do personally, but I will go to the monthly, then I will do the crazy things because I won't pump more than this dollars. So I will try to get this at least this liquidation point. So okay, the monthly low point. So it will be bearish case. So the market will tend towards the downside if it breaks. So I don't think I will get that point personally, and I pray also to not get reached to that point. So what about the BTC currently? BTC is what I'm looking for currently, not any other coins. So BTC, I would be panicked by saying that's only 1 more minute to complete this shit things. 1 more minute to get a new candle. So the new candle will be milestones. So I'm gonna stop my live right now because I have to give some care into my trade because but what about BTT guys? So I'm also want to give you a quick update about the BTT. Okay guys, buy BTT right now because a quick and big pump is ahead. So my personal opinion, I'm gonna buy currently some BTT right now. So Bitcoin is coming down. This is my point. I'm gonna set an alert, and here I'm gonna set an alert because we have to get some alert at this point. What is that point? So 56 and 100, not 56 and 101, 111. So I'm creating an alert on the futures price coming down to the 56 and 111. Okay, that's it's okay, it's okay. So price coming down to this point, I will get an alert, and I will be cautious when it's reaching this point. So I will quickly close my trade at this point. So I personally think that we have lost that's 1 hour, and we have at the new candle. What about the new candle, guys? New candle. So coming down to the BTC Coinbase chart. So we are at the new candle, and every time you looking, you can see that big to either towards the downside or towards the upside in almost every candle week, and we have to get that also in this case, and we will come down to the entry point, guys. So it's bullish, guys. Right now it's bullish. So it's near 100% profit. I'm getting right now. You can see that live because not it's not not out of live, guys. It's live. I'm trading before in front of you. Okay. So what's another good news? That any other things? And yeah, let me quickly show you an update from the Wazar stream. Willy Woo is a guy of fundamental blockchain data analysis guy. So you can see that in terms of this is February 2 updation, he pinned it, and the 1 hour ago, the revisit of lower price has created incredibly strong price valuation for Bitcoin, about 1 trillion cap, 40% of the last supreme about 1 trillion cap. This is a key line is sounding brain to BTC price discovery and area of human support. So what this guy is trying to say that we are getting some nice support from this 1 trillion market cap. So he is saying, oh, we had to ask him because I'm not an expert in the blockchain, the data analysis, on-chain data analysis. Anyone thinking we are going into a prolonged price correction needs to know about the rate of news curses coming into the network per day. We are in the middle of a bull market with a hockey stick of new adoption, especially in the last 2 weeks. And he's saying that he's trying to state that we are in a highly huge bullish run. And also, before 1 hourly, coins continue to move to very strong holders, the Rick Astley of the world. Okay, and he's also trying to make strong support to the bulls. Okay, and okay, I'm going to show you the Wazarex updates. So, what's that? Wazarex. Okay, Wazarex official page. They have posted that sometimes before. Yeah, fourth burn. We have successfully burned this kind of this much is 112 crores of 40 million USD has got burned. In the case of Wazarex, it's a bullish news. So buying Wazarex would be a good idea right now. So these are my it's 26 minutes of live. So that's enough for you guys. Oh man, it's coming down. It's getting rejection from the zone. So this is big, very panic. Um, yeah, I said you at every time a new candle is opening, the you had to look at this time. Okay, so 56 minutes, or before getting into the 30 minutes and the 30 minutes candle, you can see a consolidation. So not consolidation, a correction between this channel, because it's a micro correction. You can see that's when you are going to the 5 minutes or something like that. So uh, I'm quickly winding up my live right now because it will be devastating when I'm going a lot of time to make you not. And XXP has regained its strength. No. Uh, it's right now. It's right now. It's a case. And I bought some uni. What about uni, guys? What about I bought a uni up right now? That's oh wow! It's a $4, 110% in profit. It's nice. Okay, it's nice. And do I have to close this trade right now? No, I would say personally, I would say no because a huge move is coming towards upside. That's why I'm waiting for this. So I will either close it. I will set a break even, and break even at those this point, either this point. So I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for getting a nice pump from this. What's it's not BTC. I'm waiting for getting a nice from this point, and after that I will get a break even at this point. And even if the trade getting in the wrong side, I will get out of this trade with a profit, with a nice profit, with a considerable profit. That's what's my aim is making legendary trades with breaking even at the entry point. And where I'm intended to see you something I bought right now. It's a $24. I'm right now in profit because I bought that in the $22 level. Oh man, my order history is not showing. Yeah, 1 week because it was yesterday because we are right now. Yeah, 22.4400, and we are uh, in profit, guys, in profit. And what's my personal opinion about the Uniswap, guys? Uniswap will pump because Uni 3 version 3 is launching. It was an old long news, but I'm really bullish about the Uni. And let me show you what's the current price of Uni USDT. Uni USDT is right now $31, and what's the percentage we have dipped, and this $40 to $31, and but at those Uni USDT we are uh, we went the 56 55 or something like that. So I personally looking for that. The huge gain is coming up, and this is why if the Uni is pumping some percent, I will show you in percentage. So trading view, and if Uni is pumping like this. Okay, sorry guys. is pumping. If uni is pumping 10 percentage from this, not now. Okay, at 10, 40, 50%, yeah, 60%, 50%. What will be the pump of the uni up? It will be the 15x, guys. Not 4x, 4 times of that 15 percentage is exactly that 4 times of 60%, 60% gain on this uni up, instead of buying this university. That's why ETFs are profitable. ETFs are really really profitable. So